guys, welcome back to my channel. I have Bath and Body Works to share with y'all today. Yes, this is how many times I went to the sale. Actually, no, I went 3 times. So I have a lot to share with you guys. I found a ton of goodies. I made it to their semi-annual sale. You guys know that's when they do their 75% off items that are usually around anywhere from $2 to $3. Sometimes there's something for $1. They also had some things for $4.95, and I think that was it. So yeah, I'm gonna share what I got with you guys. All right, you guys, we're gonna start with the first bag. This is the first time that I went. Like I said, I went a total of 3 times. I'm just gonna pull everything out. So what I'm going to do is start with the big items that I picked up first. These are the items that I picked up off of the 75% off table. So this year they did not have a lot like they usually have. So I was kind of like upset about that because they didn't have very many shower gels out. So the only full-size shower gels I could find was this 2. So I picked up Honey Wildflower. Y'all, this smells so good. I got the Honey Wildflower shower gel, and it's crisp pear, fresh wildflowers, and sweet honey. And I also got the Ultimate Hydration Body Cream with hyaluronic acid, and it's made with pure honey. Because this, oh my god, it smells so good. If you guys watched my video when I was in Bath and Body Works and I put my camera in my basket to spray the little thing to smell, I was spraying this to see what it smells like. Amazing. It smells so good. So I also got the matching Honey Wildflower fragrance mist. And then I picked up the Almond Blossom. I've never tried this before, so I just grabbed it. The keynote scents were not on it, so I'm not exactly sure what's in it, but it has a nice soft scent to it. And then I picked up the Dahlia. They did have the matching lotion to this, but I didn't get it. But this is the shower gel made with essential oils. It's velvet dahlia petals, crisp pear, praline musk, and whipped tonka bean. And this smells really good too. And then I picked up one of these body lotions with shea butter and vitamin E. And I love the little holographic look to it. It's sleigh rides and snuggles. And the fragrance notes in this one is sun-kissed icicles, fluffy balsam, and vanilla bourbon. So I haven't smelled this one yet, but it sounds like it's going to smell great. And then I also picked up a Marshmallow pumpkin latte, another ultimate hydration body cream with hyaluronic acid. The fragrance notes is pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallows, creamy sandalwood, and praline musk. And let me see if I could smell this one. It's not very strong. It has a nice soft scent to it too. But I knew anything with like a pumpkin or marshmallow in it was going to smell good. Okay, so these are the full sizes that I got on the first day. And I'm going to show you the little small size things that they had for 75% off. I picked up these 2 body sprays. I got the matching Marshmallow pumpkin latte mist because they didn't have it in the big size, but I found it in the small one. These are regular $7.50, so they were about $2 and some change. Then I picked up Cotton Candy Champagne because I have a spray that's one of my favorites, and it's called Cotton Candy something, and I just absolutely love it. So I picked up this cotton candy champagne, and I hope this one smells good too. That it doesn't have the fragrance notes on it. I picked up 3 of the small hand creams. These are $7.50 a piece. And I picked up sweet cinnamon pumpkin, white pumpkin and chai. Y'all, this one smells amazing. I tried this one. It smells so freaking good. And pumpkin cupcake. And then I picked up 3 mini lotions. I love Twisted Peppermint. The lotion, the spray, and the body wash smells so freaking good. It's a really good wintry, you know, scent to use. So I picked up a Twisted Peppermint. This one says Merry Christmas Iced Cinnamon Rolls. These were $6.50. All of these, yeah. This one too. Yep, $6.50 a piece. And then I picked up Berry Waffle Cone. I should have looked up the fragrance notes to tell you guys before I did that. But for these, they were $1.62. These were $1.87 each. And the sprays were $2.12. And then most of these were, let's see, about $3.37. The Wildflower set was, looks like $4.12, because they were like $16.50. So all in all, on that shopping trip, my receipt, so long. So you see my total discount was $132. And my basic total came to $46.68, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the next bag. I'm gonna show you guys this one really quick. Okay, so I picked up a couple of men's items, and they were 50% off. So the men's items were $14.50 and $13.50. So they came to $7.25 and $6.75, and I picked up a classic flannel 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash. And the keynotes on this one is fresh bergamot, patchouli spice, and sweet amber. And I really like that it's a hair, face, and body wash. So, because, you know, men, they don't want to do all that stuff that we do. And they want to get it done and get it over with. So, yeah, and I picked that up in classic flannel. And I love this lotion for the men. It smells so good. And it's called Bourbon. And it's the Men's Collection 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion. And it's white pepper, dark amber, and Kentucky oak, and it smells amazing. And then I also picked up a Japanese cherry blossom shampoo, which I didn't even know they had shampoo, you guys. I was excited to see that. And let me move this. I'm gonna go to the next bag. So also the day that I picked up the men's stuff, I also picked up, oh, I lost one, some more small items. So when I went to pick up the men's stuff, that was trip number 2. So that plus what I'm about to show you is from my second trip. Alright, so I got 3 more sprays. I got another Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte because I wasn't sure if I was going to really like that one. I wanted to have a couple. I picked up a Frosted Coconut because I love anything with the coconut scent in it that they have. Always smells so good. So Frosted Coconut Snowball. These were $8.50 a piece. So they were $2.12 for these. And then I picked up Mary Cookie. It's really cute. So those 3 sprays. And then I also found an aroma. They didn't have this out the first day. Aromatherapy Eucalyptus and Spearmint Stress Relief Essential Oil Mist. And I have a bigger one of these, and I like to spray them on my like pillows, my sheets, my blankets, and things like that. And these were $8.50, so they were what did I say? $2.12. They also had the shower gel, which I could have swore I got, but when I got home it wasn't in my bag, so I guess I didn't pick it up. But they also had the matching stress relief little mini shower gel. And then I picked up these 2 small shower gels, Champagne Toast. These were $6.50, so they were on sale for $1.62, and these were $8.50 a piece. These are the 1,000 Wishes shampoo and conditioner, and they smell really, really good. So these were $2.12. And I picked up some of their lip gloss, and these were $2.37, and the regular price was $9.50. I've never tried them before, so I grabbed 2. I got Peppermint Patty, and I also got Mary Mimosa. So I'm gonna try these out soon. Since I did the haul, I'm gonna go ahead and crack one open and give it a try, and I'll update you guys on it. But I'm really excited to try these. So on this go around with this, my total, let's see, with the men's total was 20 bucks, $20.10. And my total with this stuff was $21.68. And that's with tax. Without the tax, it came to $20.45. So not bad for that little go around. Let me get to the next bag. Okay, so trip number 3, I got 6, 7, 8 items. So for this go, I paid, let's see, my total discount I saved was $83.29, and my total came to $27.71 before tax. So let's see here. So I'm gonna start with this since it's right here. I got a high pumpkin spice latte scented candle made with natural essential oils. This was regular $25.50, and it's the 3-wick, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love that. And that was $6.37, and it was regular $25. So I got just one. I don't know why. I was really mad at myself for that because the sale ended. Well, it actually might still be going, because she said it might end on a certain date, or they might go until they run out of stuff. Sometimes it goes to the end of the month, so I guess it just depends on your store. I picked up 1 lotion. All this stuff they had out different the 3rd time I went. They had none of this stuff out the 1st time or the 2nd time. So I picked up the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin body lotion. Sounds like it smells good. It has heirloom pumpkin, autumn cinnamon, ginger snap, and whipped vanilla. That sounds like it smells really good. Then I picked up this body cream. I really like the creams because they're thick, and I love this. It's so pretty. This one is Starlight Night. And it's, the fragrance notes is Snowberry, Midnight Iris, and Sensual Agarwood. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping this one smells really good too. And then I picked up 2 body sprays. So I picked up Sunshine Mimosa. I've never smelled it before, but you know, for $3-4 bucks, I decided to go ahead and pick it up. And this one, Crisp Morning Air. This one is Crisp Fall Breeze, Golden Amberwood, and Juicy Apple. I don't know why they, oh, okay, here's the fragrance notes. So the fragrance notes on the Mimosa one is bright, bubbly champagne, and fresh citrus. So it sounds like they smell good. I figured this one may be a good like room to use as a room spray, but we'll see. And I really like their concentrated room sprays. So they had a bucket with only this scent in it, and I sprayed it, and it actually smells good. So I got 3 of them. That it's the Fresh Balsam, if I'm saying that right. These were $8.50 a piece, regular price. Usually they have them like 3 for $20. So they were $2.12 each, and I got 3 of them because the scent lasts really long, like 2 hours, I think. And it makes your whole entire room smell so good. So I picked up 3 of those. So like I said, my total that day came to $27.71 before tax, and that's what I got on my last run. I don't think I could fit everything on the table to show you guys, but that was my Bath and Body Works haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to throw some of this stuff up here. If you guys have any questions on the scents, make sure you just let me know. I can update you guys and let you know what my thoughts were on them. When I try new lotions and sprays, I'll try to take a picture of it and post it in my community tab and let you guys know what I think of it. If I don't forget to do that. I have too much to fit on this table, like way too much. I was gonna kind of give you guys a look at everything, but it's just too much. But you guys, these are great to keep in your purse. That's why I always grab these, and I put one in each of my many purses I have. I keep a hand lotion in there, and I love doing that. I also will keep one this size. This is a conditioner, but you know, the little lotions like this are good to keep in your purse as well. And like my gym bag, I put them in there. And it'd be good to put like a shampoo and conditioner in your gym bag too, if you hop in the shower there. So I got a bunch of goodies for a really good price. I'll total it up and put it at the end of the screen here on how much I spent for all 3 trips. But I think I got everything for a really good deal. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.